Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw the BNB Beacon chain from Trust Wallet. First, open Trust Wallet on your mobile device. Next, tap on BNB from your list of assets. Now tap on Send. Here, you need to enter the recipient's address or domain name where you want to send your BNB. Then enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. After that, go back and open Binance on your mobile device. In Binance, tap on the icon at the top right corner. Now tap OK. Next, tap Receive. Then tap on Set Currency. Search for the currency BNB and select it. Then enter the amount of BNB you want to receive. You can state the reason for your request if needed. Go back and tap on Request Payment. Now search for the currency BNB again and select it. Enter the amount of BNB you want to request. Then tap on Share Link. Tap on Share again and then tap on More. Now tap on Copy to copy the address or link. Go back to the Trust Wallet app and paste the copied link or address in the appropriate field. Finally, review the details and confirm the transaction to complete the withdrawal. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.